What if you could photograph the human soul? In 1883, Francis Galton believed he could. His book, Inquiries into Human Faculty, attempted something radical to measure, quantify, and categorize human minds. The methods were strange. The implications were darker. But the questions he asked still haunt psychology. Galton was obsessed with counting what couldn't be counted. He didn't just study faces, he created something called composite portraiture, layering photograph after photograph to find the typical human expression. He measured features, cataloged hair colors, and tracked what he called bodily qualities through elaborate statistical committees. He even invented whistles to test the upper limits of human hearing. For Galton, every aspect of human experience, from how we visualize numbers to our mental imagery, could be captured, measured, and compared. Nothing was too intimate for his instruments. Before the phrase became a cliché, Galton literally invented it. His 1875 paper on twins became foundational, using identical siblings to untangle which traits we inherit and which we learn. He wrote English Men of Science, Their Nature and Their Nurture, examining whether genius runs in bloodlines. And it does, he concluded, perhaps too enthusiastically. This wasn't just academic curiosity. Galton was building towards something, a grand theory about improving humanity itself. His memoirs on hereditary improvement and relative supplies from town and country families reveal a man calculating which populations should grow. Here's what the preface reveals. This book became the starting point of that recent movement in favor of national eugenics. Galton coined that term. He established it at University College London. He genuinely believed he was improving humanity. The tragedy is that a brilliant mind, someone who advanced statistics, fingerprint identification, and psychological testing, also planted seeds that would grow into something monstrous. Reading Galton today means confronting how scientific curiosity, without ethical boundaries, can justify terrible things. His questions were profound. His answers were dangerous. Science doesn't exist in a vacuum. The tools we build reflect our assumptions and sometimes our darkest impulses. Understanding psychology's past helps us question its present. Subscribe to Mindlore for a psychology fact every day, because knowing where ideas come from matters.